SoundHound AI stock. So the stock closed at $1.89 as of yesterday, the 28th of September 2023. The last time we covered the stock was on the 8th of September, and then the algos we were using, the predictive 10-day moving average, was pointing out that the stock was going to retrace. There was going to be weakness in its moving average, probably in the stock itself, and that happened. It was predicting a decline up till September the 18th. September the 18th was the Monday of 2 weeks ago, not this week, the upper week. So getting almost 2 weeks ago, it was predicting that it was going to continue to show weakness till that day, the 18th of September. But it actually came that weakness actually happened. But it ended on the 15th of it ended on the 14th, and there was a brief bottom, a brief sideways movement on the 14th and 15th, and then it spiked and got a resistance on that 18th. So on the 18th, on the day it forecasted that it was going to the weakness was supposed to end. It actually it showed some strength on that day. Yeah. And then after that, we now continue to see a non-stop retracement until Tuesday the 26th, and then from Wednesday and yesterday, Thursday, we have seen it's rebounding, showing some strength, and the predictive moving average is also indicating that more strength is going to come back up till it's going to continue to do so for how many sessions? For this session, that is today, Friday the 29th, and Monday the 2nd of October, Tuesday 3rd of October, Wednesday 4th of October, Thursday 5th of October is going to be the peak of that strength, and then we retrace again, and then we retrace by the Friday the 6th of October. So come next week, now it's supposed to show some weakness up to it's going to weaken. The strength might weaken to $2.3 on the 10-day moving average. That these are just predictions, and if anything to go by, if what the prediction was the last time we covered it concerning this 10-day moving average, if it's anything to go by, then we probably can watch what's going to happen in this case, and hopefully I'll try and update you on to see whether this actually played out, and but the good thing about it is that it's projecting higher prices. So the stock closed at 1.89, so we're talking about higher prices. By Thursday, we're talking about $2.48, so the price itself might actually be more than that. So right now it's currently at $1.91. That's where it is, just slightly below this Fibonacci projection of $1.91. And then on that day, the last time we covered this stuff, SoundHound, we had projections in the form of 4.72, 2.68, 1.91, 1.42. So yeah, 1.91 is still very much intact. So I think the projections haven't really changed. 1.42, it hasn't changed. They are still the same thing. Hasn't calculated anything for 1.03, 0.6509, and then down here we have 0.0832. So the projections we had then are still very much intact on this daily chart. 1.91, 4.72, no, 2.69. So okay, 2.68 or thereabout, yeah, roughly the same, and then 4.72. So the calculations are still very much intact. Nothing has really changed that much in that regard. So yeah, I wouldn't want to conclude with just one. It's not just one, it's a couple of predictions that have a couple of daily projections have actually turned out to be true, turned out to have played out right. So we're still going to validate again, like I pointed out, by coming back again to look at whether this is going to, whether the strength we started to see on Tuesday the 26th is going to continue till Thursday the 5th, so it's gonna be more than that will be roughly 7 trading sessions of positive outcomes for the stock. So but if that's anything to go by, then that's good. Then we probably might say that this is a reliable prediction, especially on SoundHound. Okay, so yeah, if that's anything to go by, then see what you make of it. And the next upper projection will be 2.71, 2.69 or thereabout. So something that can happen. That's not a huge lot from where it is right now. But in any case, there's a couple of news items concerning SoundHound. They say that yesterday, day 28th, that's Thursday 28th, it says here that SoundHound has formed a partnership with Olo to provide a voice artificial intelligence ordering service for restaurants. Restaurants using the Olo Connect partner program will be able to process voice orders placed at the drive-through in-store kiosk or over the phone using AI. The company indicated. So yeah, the stock was gained 3.9% or thereabouts yesterday. So see what you make of SoundHound AI stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.